Hello guys, this is Zufar from Blma, and today we are here in Abu Dhabi, UAE, performing on-site training and installation for the pipe bending machine at the customer site. This is hydraulic oil of grade ISO 68 with high viscosity for the regions with hot weather. Customers prepaid 200 liters to add in the machine. So now we are here with Mr. Onai, a project manager of Ale Company, and please tell us if you have some feedback.
It was so nice to have you guys, Blma, coming to Abu Dhabi to commission our second machine. No, it was so good with the explanation we had given to our guys, helping them to operate the machine. And also, I do hope you keep on supporting us on the services and the maintenance of the machine. Thank you very much and keep up the good work.
Thank you, Mr. Onai.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
It is a very good machine and very good short timing. Machine make can offset 90 degree and 45 anything what you required for. For example, 20 degree making offset, you can make only 30 seconds, 10 seconds.
Thank you for your feedback. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Thank you.